Good morning, children. Let us study lesson 8, Important Dynasties of North India. Now let us go through the introduction. Mauryan dynasty is the first historical dynasty of India. Chandragupta Maurya and Ashoka are the famous emperors of this dynasty. Of which dynasty? Mauryan dynasty. Their life and achievements are described, as well as the contributions of Kanishka, who was a famous king of Kushans, are also described. The victories of Samudragupta, the greatest king of Gupta dynasty, and the progress in different aspects during the reign of Chandragupta II are described, and the attempts of Harshavardhana to safeguard his empire in the time of crisis and his contributions to the progress of Buddhism is introduced in this lesson. So, we are going to know about the founder. Who was the founder of Mauryan dynasty? That is Chandragupta Maurya, and his guide Chanakya. And to know the life and achievements of Ashoka, to understand the administrative system of Maurya, to identify the achievements of Kanishka and the famous king of Kushan dynasty, and to understand the contributions of Mauryas, Kushans, Guptas and Vardhanas to art, literature, science and architecture. The achievements of Samudragupta and Chandragupta of Gupta dynasty, and the factors responsible for making the Gupta period for the golden era, and to understand the description of India as given by Fahian and Huingsang, a Chinese traveler, and to understand the achievements and contributions of Harshavardhana. First, let us study about Mauryas. Children, have you noticed the wheel on our national flag? It is Ashoka Chakra. So, the wheel is called as Ashoka Chakra, and it is included in our national flag as a symbol of progress. Then, who is this Ashoka? To which dynasty does he belong? What is the history of this dynasty? What are the contributions of Ashoka? So, let us know all this in this lesson. Mauryan dynasty is the first dynasty of India, and its founder is Chandragupta Maurya. So, who was the founder of Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan dynasty, and it was the first dynasty in India. Now let us study about Chandragupta Maurya. So who was Chandragupta Maurya? He was the founder of Mauryan dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya was an adventurous young man. Adventurous means liking to try new things. He was trying to do new things. Vishnugupta of Takshashila was insulted by Nanda king Dhanananda. Who was the Nanda king? Dhanananda. Who was insulted here? Vishnugupta of Takshashila was insulted by whom? Nanda king Dhanananda. Vishnugupta was a very diplomatic. Diplomatic means connected with diplomacy. Connected with diplomacy means, once again, diplomacy means the activity of managing relationship between different countries. Got it? So, intelligent and shrewd. Shrewd means able to make good decision because you understand a situation well. When you understand a situation well, you can able to make a good decision. So, he was intelligent and shrewd. He was also called Chanakya and Kautilya. Who was also called Chanakya and Kautilya here? Vishnugupta was called as Chanakya and Kautilya. He trained Chandragupta in the skills of warfare and helped him to form his own army. So, he helped whom? He helped the founder of Mauryan dynasty, that is Chandragupta, in what? In skills of warfare, and helped him to form his own army. By this time, the people had also lost faith in Dhanananda. By this time, what happened? People lost the faith in Dhanananda, and so it was easy for Chandragupta to defeat him. So when he became weak, Chandragupta got a chance to defeat him. In this way, Chandragupta established Maurya dynasty. How did he establish Maurya dynasty? When Dhanananda became weak by that time he lost faith from his own people. Chandragupta defeated him and he established Mauryan dynasty. Who established? Chandragupta Maurya established Maurya dynasty in 2300 years ago and made Patliputra as the capital. So present capital of Bihar is Patna and Patliputra has a capital. Later he organized a large army. Later what he did? He organized a large army and moved towards northwestern India. Where he moved? Towards northwestern India, and some of the regions of northwest were occupied by whom? Occupied by Alexander, the king of Macedonia. Who was occupied? Alexander, the king of Macedonia, was occupied by him. But now they were taken care by his own representative. But now it was taken care by his representatives, that is Seleucus. Seleucus was also defeated now. After being defeated by Chandragupta Maurya, who was defeated? Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus. Who was the Seleucus? Representative of Alexander. He entered an agreement with Chandragupta Maurya. After being defeated by Chandragupta Maurya, Seleucus entered an agreement with Chandragupta Maurya. What was the agreement? Apart from giving away Afghanistan, Baluchistan and western areas of Sindh, he also got his daughter married to Chandragupta Maurya. What he did? He made an agreement that apart from giving away Afghanistan, Baluchistan and western areas of Sindh, he also got his daughter married to whom? To Chandragupta Maurya. Who is Chandragupta Maurya? The founder of Mauryan dynasty. In return, Chandragupta gifted. In return, what he did? After getting married and getting the place, areas of western areas of Sindh, in return, what he did? He gifted Seleucus with 500 elephants. What he gifted? He gifted Seleucus with 500 elephants. Seleucus sent an ambassador called Megasthenes, and he sent an ambassador called Megasthenes to the court of Chandragupta. Megasthenes has recorded his experience in his book titled Indica. So, ambassador, who was he? Megasthenes, an ambassador of Seleucus, and he recorded his experience in his book titled called Indica. Vishnugupta or Kautilya was the prime minister of Chandragupta. His Arthashastra is a well-known book that tells about administrative techniques of Chandragupta. The manuscript of this book was first found in the Museum of Oriental Library of Mysore, and it was found by R. Shama Shastri. Chandragupta Maurya accepted Jainism. What he accepted? He accepted Jainism in his last days. He made his son Bindusara as a king and came to Karnataka with some Jain monks. So, he made his son, Chandragupta's son, who is the son of Chandragupta, Bindusara, as a king and came to Karnataka with some Jain monks, and he undertook Sallekana. Sallekana means it is a religious practice of voluntarily fasting to death by gradual reducing the intake of food and liquids. That is known as Sallekana. Sallekana means fasting till death. Where he did the Sallekana? At Shravana Belagala of Hasan district and passed away. His son Bindusara ruled for about 25 years. How long did he rule? He ruled about for 25 years. This is about Chandragupta Maurya, children, and he was the founder of Mauryan dynasty. So, next we shall study about Samrat Ashoka and his inscription in detail. Thank you.